There we go.
Hell yeah.
Stop.
You ready?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, you recording? That's awesome.
Standalone grenade.
Gotta make some good YouTube footage.
50 cal machine guns, saws 240, the PKM, RPK, MP5. We shot everything, dude. And my favorite out of every single one of them for sure was definitely the smallest one out of all of them, the Uzi, man.
The Uzi.
The Uzi was cool.
That's gonna be my next splurge, just because I want to have a.
It made me
super
feel
lightweight.
It made me feel cool because that thing was like a jam-o-matic, so it's like every time it jammed, I was just like,
Yeah,
let's go. Reload another round, spit one out the side of it, and it would just be like. It was like so inaccurate. It was like the
yeah, dude, just
terrible gun, but I was like, this is the coolest one out of all of them.
This is why gangbangers do it. Exactly.
Yeah, dude, I was too. I was just like,
yeah, dude. We totally do that.
one-handing it.
1980s bad guys, gangers. That's sick, dude. I've always had, like, for an Uzi, I've always, like, just wanted one.
Yeah,
And it's sick
dude,
to have one. Are we all here?
the Uzi was cool.
All right, guys. So objective is straight ahead. Try not to, like I said, try not to flank out too far. Try to keep it head to head. I'll bark at you guys if I see you. Like if you're out of bounds, I'll just tell you to come in or whatever. And just we're a team, right? So we want to put a lot of fire down there and make this a fun experience for them and us as well. We're not rushing into the objective, and once you hear like the yell to chase them, we're all gonna like yell behind them and just like make it fun for them. Do all your wannabe Taliban yells and everything, and just make it fun. When you die, make it look funny. Scream. It's a lot of fun. Okay. Very nerdy, but you know we're already grown men and gear playing with toy guns out in the desert, so. We'll give them a minute to get set. We start the game we'll go 3, 2, 1, then we'll all just do like a like yell kind of thing. You guys gonna sprint in, watch for the cactus that just is right here. Yeah. Yeah, so you can kind of take this road up.
The field that is a cactus.
Yeah. Avoid the cactus. Try to step on the grass. Yeah. You can find it.
You guys, the first thing you're gonna hear me is go prone with this thing and go, bullshit.
Brandon, I want to go home.
I'm done. Brandon, I got stickers. I need to go home.
These ones suck too, because they got all like the little micro needles.
Yeah, so like they're not the kind that stick into
you. Gotta scrape them off with it.
We were at Red Canyon and we had our nephew went around chasing one of these two and full on right into one.
Tackled one.
And you gotta be careful too, because there are some cactuses in Utah that like will like make you itch. Like they'll give you a rash, man.
Well, those like little dark brown fiberglass ones were the worst.
Straight up make you break out into a rash.
It takes like days to get them all out, man. And then your clothes, everything.
Yeah. You can either use duct tape, but like I've run into cactuses before, and like my dad just like he's like, okay, go jump in the tub, and here's a piece of 3,000 grit sandpaper. Yeah. And I was sanding my skin to get them out, dude.
Joe, are they ready?
3,000 grit sandpaper, just going like this, and just scrub them out of your skin.
True though, dude. You have to like wear away your skin that it holds
You
on to.
literally have to like wear away the piece, the small layer of skin there, just to get it off. I'm serious,
Waxing
dude.
does really good.
Yeah, waxing, duct tape. But if you can't get them out with duct tape, man, you're gonna have to like
It's a
I mean,
bad time.
you hear 3,000 grit sandpaper, and you're like, oh, sandpaper, that must hurt. 3,000 grit's like newspaper. It's very, very, very fine grit, so it's not like it hurts, but you have to get rid of that very thin layer of skin off your body to get those stickers out.
Mine's got a bolt action.
Oh, the electric bolt.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I was gonna do gas, but I'm like, I just don't have a lot of gas. I just rather do electric for now.
Okay.
All right, you guys
All right,
ready?
guys. So remember, we're not really running. We're basically walking the whole time until we give chase, and then we're kind of jogging at that point. Okay.
All right.
We don't want to get winded. We're just chilling. All right. Okay. Guys, on 3, we're gonna go. Ah la la la. Ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3.
I'm just grateful we have the sniper on our side.
Guys, remember when we take the first shot at them, the time starts.
So let's set up and stand there and watch them. Nobody shoot.
Yeah, but they can shoot at us.
Yeah, they can still shoot us. It is painful on our part.
So?
Guys, back, Bo, a little bit in this way.
Oh, did you shoot?
Yeah. Find a good spot, guys. Start putting rounds up there. Doesn't matter if you can see them, just put rounds up there. Oh, I got him.
Where are they?
Straight up got him. All right, nope. Ah!
Wait.
It hits my gun. Huh? No, not this one. Oh!
What the heck are they? Ooh. Ooh. That is scary. Darn it, I forgot my gloves.
Pops out for like 5 seconds.
Where the heck is he?